Hi everyone, nhớ trong shadow. I am Guan. I'm 26 years old, a mother of two beautiful children. I was born and raised in a small village deep in the mountains. That's a place where life is not easy, where opportunities are rare, but dreams are still alive.
Ever since I was a little girl, I've always had a dream to go beyond the mountains, to see the world, and to grow through education. It hasn't been easy. Growing up in a poor village, I faced so many challenges, but I never gave up. I believe that if I kept learning, one day I could make a difference, not just for myself, but for my community. Today, I am a full-time mother, staying at home to take care of my kids, but that doesn't mean I've stopped dreaming. I've come to realize that English is not just a subject, it's a key to knowledge, a key to connection, and a key to change. That's why I've started learning English again, and even more importantly, I want to share it. I want to teach English to Hmong children because I believe that language can open doors to education, to opportunities, and to a better future. I know how hard it is for ethnic minority children to access quality education, but I also know how powerful it is when someone believes in them. Through this journey, I hope to inspire other Hmong mothers, fathers, and young people to see that it's never too late to learn, and I hope my story can be a small light for those who are still living in the darkness of limitations. Together, let's bring change, one word, one lesson, one child at a time. I know my English is not perfect yet, but no one is perfect, and we don't need to be. English is just a language, a tool for communication, so don't be afraid. Don't wait until you are fluent. Be confident, speak up, and keep learning. You are good enough to start today. And remember, this is not just about English. It's about hope. It's about rising beyond the mountains. It's about believing in ourselves.